Understanding Spottitt, satellite-driven analytics for the optimal positioning of solar and wind energy installations, imagery that everyone can use. Spottitt is an innovative online service to support developers in the solar and wind energy sectors. Using satellite imagery and layered data analysis, it is a powerful tool for locating and evaluating the geography of potential sites. Spottitt offers global coverage. Using a seamless platform to access multiple open source and commercial satellite image and data providers, it can help weave together a more complete picture of our world today. Use the Spottitt Cloud for project documentation, data storage, and sharing. Increase the efficiency of your project teams, no matter where they are in the world. Your data is available via any device, and sharing can be done easily and securely, both from within and outside your closed circle. How does it work? Go to Spottitt.com. Consider your usage needs and select the plan you require. Invite your team members and set up your workspace. Select the analysis you wish to conduct. Define your area of interest by either entering the coordinates, drawing it with a selection tool, or using an existing project in your workspace. Depending on your choice of analysis, Spottitt will propose suitable input satellite imagery and data. Layer these complex analyses together and generate a complete picture of conditions on the ground. Define a customized rule set to narrow your focus and get answers. What sites are free from restrictions? How many turbines can a particular site support? Press Buy. Results are delivered within hours. Results can be downloaded in a number of formats. For example, a WASP file for import into wind modeling software, a shapefile for import into GIS software, or simply a JPEG to display your work in a report. Spottitt is the revolutionary tool enabling solar and onshore wind developers to automate the way they find new sites, improve site selection success rates, and work with increased efficiency. Join Spottitt. Expand your horizons. Spottitt was developed thanks to funding from the European Space Agency via their Business Applications program. Due to the support of our user group and organizations such as the Satellite Applications Catapult, the Copernicus Masters Program, and the European Wind Energy Association, Spottitt is a fully functioning cloud-based service.